Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change time on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to General Management. Okay, tap this. In General Management, you can see the date and time. Okay, tap the date and time. Here in date and time, okay, make sure the automatic date and time is off. And here you can see the set time. Okay, to change the time of your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is tap the set time. And the pop-up below are show, okay, here. Now you can change the time. So by sliding up or down the times, okay? So I set into 12:10 p.m. So this is example only. So after you set the time, so you'll have to do is tap the done button below. And that's it. We have successfully changed the time of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.